If you are looking for a cozy and luxurious unit in the East, surrounded by rich cultural heritage and amenities, this may just be the one you have been looking for. Today, I'm sharing with you this beautiful 4-bedroom unit.
Hi, I'm Jaclyn Cheong from OrangeTee AAG.
Imagine coming home to a spacious 1,432 square feet heaven that offers spaciousness and comfort. Living in this development offers you seamless connectivity at your doorstep with the nearest MRT at Cheong, alongside key expressways for effortless travel to major business and employment hubs. The key highlights for residents with children is the proximity to many schools nearby. There is also a wide range of dining options, from cozy cafes to gourmet restaurants, all within easy reach, and shopping malls nearby for your shopping. But that's not all. This property boasts a range of modern features, including a pet's corner for furry companions. Residents also enjoy curated facilities such as a 50-meter lap pool, a gym, and even a tennis court. Step into the house and be greeted by a wide frontage living room, perfect for entertaining guests in style with an 8-seater dining table. Whip up gourmet meals in a modern dry and wet kitchen, equipped with the state-of-the-art appliances and complete with a dishwasher. The master bedroom suite is a standout feature of this unit, offering a spacious walk-in wardrobe, perfect for organizing and storing personal items. The master suite also includes a luxurious his and hers bathroom setup, ensuring both convenience and privacy. The rest of the bedrooms are also generously sized to ensure you have all the space you need to relax and unwind after a long day. Don't miss this opportunity to experience this exquisite lifestyle for yourself.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. This is Jaclyn Cheong from OrangeTee AAG. See you next time.